Soil lacking organic matter affecting growth? You gotta get on top of that with some easy top dressing using compost, because honestly, your plants are probably starving for nutrients right now. So here's what you do. First, grab some good quality compost, like the dark, crumbly stuff that smells earthy, not weirdly funky. Before you spread anything, pull out any weeds or big rocks so you're not just covering up problems. Take a shovel or even your hands and toss a thin layer of compost right on top of the soil, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. Don't go wild and bury your plants though. Keep the compost away from stems and trunks so you don't cause rotting issues. If your soil's super compacted, poke some holes with a fork or stick so the compost can work its way down and really blend in. Water the area a little after spreading, just enough to help everything settle and start mingling with your soil. If you keep doing this, like maybe twice a year, spring and fall, you'll see some serious improvement pretty fast. And honestly, your plants will thank you with better growth, greener leaves, and fewer headaches for you. One of the biggest mistakes people make with soil lacking organic matter is just dumping compost on too thick, thinking more is better, but that can actually suffocate roots and mess up drainage. So stick to that thin layer. Another super common issue is using the wrong kind of compost. If it's not fully broken down or still smells kinda sour, it can actually burn your plants or bring in pests, so always use mature, finished compost. The last big one is skipping regular top dressing altogether and hoping fertilizer will fix everything, but honestly, without organic matter, your soil just can't hold nutrients or water the way it should. So keep that top dressing schedule going for real results. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, whether you need someone for landscaping, soil improvement, or pretty much any home project. For contractors, it's like the perfect spot to connect with real clients in their area and get more jobs lined up without all the hassle.